What is freedom? Being in the mountains, with no one around, looking for adventure. That's freedom. In the mountains, I'm living for the moment. My thoughts are free and I find my inner peace. This is where I belong. During climbing, there's only me and the rock. I'm concentrated. I'm focused. My heart beats for the mountain. Not thinking about the future, not thinking about the past, leaving all the worries behind. Everything around me disappears, and I'm living the moment. I'm pushing myself to the limit and sometimes beyond. And arriving at the peak, rising above everything. To conquer the mountain. Nothing else makes me feel this way. This is what drives me. This is freedom to me. And for that, I need a partner by my side. A partner I can always count on.